Tired of having your wine lying around the house? Ever thought of creating a modern wine wall in your living space? Finally made space for your dream home wine cellar? At Display Wine, we have a unique variety of innovative wine racking and display solutions that create an organized, contemporary showpiece for your wine in your home or restaurant. Take a look at the variety of options available, from a simple DIY wine rack to your complete home wine cellar. We have a wine display solution for you. We pride ourselves in designing modern wine racking that we manufacture in-house to ensure that you get the best result in showcasing your wine collection.